Hello, fellow geeks. Today we have a special guest straight from the trash bin. Every empire has its pinnacle. It's like the top of the imperial product. And for ThinkPad, it was this one. This is T430, the best Lenovo laptop ever produced. And after the series with this laptop, I thought that the worst product that Lenovo ever did was 440 and 450, the next generation. But I was wrong. It's the generation after one special trashpad. Everything starts from something. Empire starts to fall from something. And it happens that I have this. Let's put this aside and take a look at our next guest. May I represent you the worst ThinkPad ever made. It was the first one that was called an Ultrabook. The first one full-sized without the CD drive. The first one with new technologies. And of course it was the first one without buttons. The first worst ThinkPad that Lenovo ever made. T431s. Avoid by all costs. However, we have one, and it was very expensive when it started on production, but because it was so bad, these ThinkPads ended up in trash. One of the trash finds, absolutely free for me, and absolutely in non-working conditions. I will show you why now. Let's try and open it up and see what's inside this trash pot. I already unscrewed it and I already opened it to change the thermal grease. Okay, one thing I can tell, good one, about this ThinkPad. It opens up fairly easy. Okay. It still has a magnesium case, the last one who has a magnesium case, alright. It has regular layout for the latest models. You could see this in 480 and 460, but this was the first one with this layout of the backplane and with this layout of its core. As you can see, it was in the trash bin, and I don't have many parts from this ThinkPad. Let's try and restore it to at least semi-working conditions. Oh, at least I had extra RAM. I have the package. I don't know what's inside. I hope that I ordered everything required for this one. Let's find a knife and start preparations. Okay, this is SSD caddy. I got two batteries, absolutely the same as I see, but the same connectors. However, one of them cost me 80 hryvnias, the other one cost me 35. They're absolutely the same, just two different positions. I thought it would be better. And we have this battery, and we have the Wi-Fi module. And of course I don't have any screws, neither for the battery, neither for this module. Let's improvise. Looks like we'll have to search. How is it? How is it? All right. Goes like this. Goes like this. And this one goes like this. And this one. Yep. Hopefully it goes like this. Okay. Am I doing something wrong? Is it? No, it's not. Of course I could use double tape to put this in place. Alright, this attempt was enough. Let's try and find some bolts and whistles to make this happen. Nice, this one worked. And the last one. Even if these threads were not metric, they are metric now. The last thing to do is to plug in the battery, and I don't know which side should I use. Where's the plus? Where's the minus? One way to find out. Okay, seems plausible. Alright, let's make this battery set in place where it intended to. Where did I put my knife? Come on, double-sided tape. Yeah, finally. Okay, and the last thing to do is to plug in the battery. Oh no, not the last thing. There is also this. Ah, not an easy task. It is so easy to break. Nice. Whew. That was close. Now the battery. Now let's finish up with the lid. Okay. Usually, you check that everything works before you close the system. But you know what? I don't have any expectations for this trash pad. So I'll just close it for good. Let's do it. The battery is alive.
To be awesome, you can have 2 watts. Moving up is your priority USB. If not, move it to the top and don't forget to press F10 to save. And I get the deck set and set.
You wish to be a cybernetic engineer. If you think you can do this, I just wanted an SSD. I don't need all the other stuff. My own laptop was fine with Windows. I don't need Linux. Cybernetic engineer, what did you do to my laptop? Cybernetic engineer, how can I get my Windows back? Cybernetic engineer, I don't need this Linux crap. Cybernetic engineer, can I get my Windows back?
My old laptop worked just fine. Why did I even listen to you? I don't want all this extra stuff. My old laptop worked just fine. You can't even turn it on now. You can't even turn it on now.
Cybernetic engineer, what did you do to my laptop? Cybernetic engineer, how can I get my Windows back? Cybernetic engineer, I don't need this Linux crap. Cybernetic engineer, can I get my Windows back?
It was working perfectly, and now it's in pieces on my desk. It was working perfectly, and now it's in pieces on my desk.
It was working perfectly, and now it's in pieces on my desk. It was working perfectly, and now it's in pieces on my desk. Can I get my Windows back? Can I get my Windows back?
Boots with the black screen, oh no. What is he? White pen, not to serve. What's he gonna do? It only gets the blues. White pen, not to serve. What's he gonna do? It only gets the blues. Back up, there's still time. Oh no, I think it's too late. White pen, not to serve. What's he gonna do? It only gets the blues. White pen, not to serve. What's he gonna do? It only gets the blues. Still time. Oh no, I think it's too late. White pen, not to serve. What's he gonna do? It only gets the blues. White pen, not to serve. What's he gonna do? It only gets the blues. Just got the laptop from the garbage. Let's see what's in it. Who's using this Windows crap? Did it boost with the black screen? Oh no, wait a second. White pen, not to serve. What's it gonna do? It only gets the blues. White pen, not to serve. What's it gonna do? It only gets the blues. Back up, there's still time. Oh no, I think it's too late. It only gets the blues. White pen, not to serve. What's it gonna do? It only gets the blues. White pen, not to serve. What's it gonna do? It only gets the blues. Just got the laptop from the garbage. Let's see what's in it. Who's using this Windows crap?
And this concludes our 10th episode of Make It to Break It. With fully, I will test it, then I will say fully, functional, shitty, trash top that no one wanted to buy because it was too expensive 12 years ago. And it's a trash right now, which I have found in a trash bin, and I will do a giveaway to some of my friends who needs a laptop to replace something. Thanks for watching, fellow geeks. Smile, 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 smile. Bye.